Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back in the kitchen. As you've read by the title, we are trying air fryer recipes today, and the reason I'm very excited about this is because I had an air fryer before, which was a birthday gift from my sisters, but obviously it was in my other house, and since I've moved here and they use the air fryer a lot in that house, I decided to look for new air fryers for this house, and I found one through Instagram ads. Honestly, Instagram ads is so well curated for me. I feel I'm like the perfect target audience for these ads. And the moment I saw this one, it was so unique and I placed an order. It actually took 6 weeks to deliver. So we've actually been waiting for this air fryer and it's finally here. So we're going to test out some recipes which come in the air fryer book. Like they have a recipe book with the product, and that's what we're going to try out first. Whatever air fryer friendly recipe you want, you can make. It's not limited to their recipe book, and of course any air fryer you can use for the recipes that I'm showing today, so it works either way. This is the air fryer machine that we've got. This is from EDT. I've actually purchased this. This is not a sponsored video, but how cool does this machine look? It's a very compact machine, and the glass, actually this comes in two sizes, so you can cook a bigger, like larger quantity, and the smaller one I think is perfect for like two people. This is their recipe book, and the first thing that we're making for lunch, I've already eaten breakfast, but for lunch we're making podi idli. I actually have never made idli by myself. I don't know how to make coconut chutney or sambar. I have to learn. Those are on my list. But we're going to start with the podi idli. I already have ordered like a ready-made idli mix. So this is the idli dosa batter that I get from ID. They also have a protein dosa batter slash idli batter, which was not in stock today on Blinkit. So I've ordered this one. All you need is the batter to put in like a steel container, and that's it. You're done. This comes with two trays. We need to use the mesh tray right now. So we open this and put the mesh tray. Starting off with preheating the air fryer at 170 degrees for 10 minutes. While that's happening, I have already removed the batter in a container, and I'm also using this. This is embarrassing. I have ordered the ID coconut chutney for my idli, but to be honest, I don't know how to make chutney yet. My mom makes the best coconut chutney. Don't have that, so we are going to improvise with this one. Oh my god, that looks disgusting. Not bad. It's actually good. I underestimated the chutney. It's quite spicy. I'm considering if I should do a vagar type tadka to the chutney or just leave it like that. This is the only steel katori that I have right now, but ideally you should have like a more slimmer one which is not so deep. I don't have that. So in case you have that, use that, because that's the perfect tate idli, because that's more flat and the idli will be thinner. So I'm not going to fill this fully. I'm going to use only this much to get that correct thickness. I don't know if you can see, but the steel container is touching the lid, and I don't think that's safe. So we'll have to actually use the bigger container of this one. We are swapping out and using the big one. But we have to preheat this again now. So BRB. Second time preheated, and now I'm going to put the water into this. Let's see. Perfect. Sorry, 170 degrees for what is this supposed to be? Oh, नीचे से तो बराबर है. This brings us to the taste test, guys. Maybe the look is not perfect, but the taste is what it comes down to. Where's the ghee? Now let's put some ghee on top of this. A little more ghee. And some gunpowder podi masala. The final finishing touch. I'm adding a lot. I have got the coconut chutney, which is the ready-made one, and the idli. Let's do a taste test. Even the podi masala is too good. एक bite तो बनता है.
Not bad.
अच्छा है ना? this is my lunch, which I think अगर मुझे एक और इडली खानी है मुझे बनाना पड़ेगा और but I will definitely try this again with sambar, and because we've tried this for the first time, idli का consistency is not that great. You can see नीचे से वो बहुत कड़क हो गया है and I'm not able to eat that नीचे वाला part, but the ऊपर वाला part is very soft and exactly the idli वाला consistency. So I feel like a few trial and errors and we'll get it right in this machine. So for now I'm going to give it 6 on 10 or 7 on 10.
8.
8. अच्छा लगा था कितना? I think 7 on 10 just for the technical part of the idli. MasterChef. MasterChef scoring, but I'm very surprised with this chutney. If anyone wants to experiment, you can do a little tadka on this chutney also with kadi patta and क्या बोलते हैं राई को?
राई.
English में क्या बोलते हैं? मजा तो आ रहा है बहुत. क्या feedback है?
मेरे पोड़ी मसाला से ना मेरे पूरा बचपन का यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं.
अच्छे वे में ना.
तो मैं अच्छा लगता है.
Addy has gone into the kitchen to make his own idli. Lunch is over and now it's time to move on to the next dish. Chocolate chip cookies. It's almost 6 p.m. and I thought I'll prep the cookie and like make it now because it takes a lot of time for it to cool down and stuff, so it'll be perfect for dessert after dinner, but I'm gonna make it now. The only problem I'm facing right now is that the recipe needs an electric hand mixer, blender, whatever, but I don't have it. And I checked on Blinkit, they had an electric whisker. I don't know if it's going to do the same thing, but I ordered it and I need to charge it for a minimum of 3 hours. I cannot deal with this construction. It's so loud while I talk. Oh my god. So for now, I'm just measuring and weighing everything out so that it's easy for us to just mix everything together later. सूरज ढल चुका है, शाम हो चुकी है.
देखिए सब देखिए.
Focus, guys. This is what I have ordered.
I am very doubtful about it. मेरे को लगता है
Even I am doubtful.
अंडा भी नहीं होएगा इससे तो.
Professionally, it's egg beater, but I don't think it can do butter and all of that. So now, Adi, preheat for 10 minutes.
Okay. कितने पे?
Shit, ये तो निकल ही रहा तू.
कितने पे करना है preheat?
Preheat.
Reheat.
180. 180.
180. Okay, for
10 minutes.
Let's do this shit now.
Take soft butter in a bowl and add both sugars. Come. So.
एक बार कम कैसे बोला था? बोलिए दोबारा.
Come. So, everything you need for the video is on the screen. The ingredients, the measurements, everything. I have everything measured out. Now, we have both sugars here mixed, caster sugar and brown sugar right here. And we need to put it in our butter. I think थोड़ा डालना चाहिए पहले.
नहीं, फिर वो कंसिस्टेंसी उसकी अच्छी नहीं रहती है ना फिर.
किसने बोला?
मेरे को पता है क्योंकि
कितने कुकीज बना चुके हो?
मैंने बहुत कुकीज बनाई है लाइफ में.
Please note everyone, ये आदि ने बोला. ठीक है, अब जो भी गलत होगा here on is all this guy's fault. इसमें लिखा है to put inside. Ready?
Yes.
Oh fuck. Manual whisk has taken over. It's not working, guys. That machine is just useless. Guess what? We had to scrap everything because it was just not working. That blender was not working, and then we looked on Blinkit and now I have new butter. And for more safety, I have actually blended the sugar. Starting with 110 grams of butter. There's only 100, but हमारे पास already है. To the butter, I am adding both brown and caster sugar. And now it's time. Next up is 1 egg. And vanilla essence. This looks good. Adding baking soda and the flour. ready for the air fryer. The first batch of cookies is out. The paper was folding, that's why this has got a little bit of a dent. But let's see.
खुशबू तो बहुत अच्छी आ रही है.
The outsides are very crispy. And the inside is very nice. So the recipe says 10 minutes. But when we checked, the cookie was thoda undercooked from niche, so we did 13 minutes. That's what I'm doing for the next batch. I have a lot more ready for the air fryer, but this actually tastes really nice.
Looks also very nice.
I prefer cookies a little softer. The center is soft, but the sides are more biscuity. Which is okay, but it's good. It's quite sweet also. So the recipe is nice. It's come out also nicely. But now, guys, I'm so tired. While the cookies are still going, I thought I will start preparing for dinner because it's already gotten so late trying to get this whole blender mixer situation in place. So the menu for tonight is chicken tandoori with some fries on the side. What we've already got is the potatoes peeled, sliced, and in an ice bath for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put some oil and masala on top and then get this in the air fryer. And then marinate the chicken, make green chutney, and then all of that. All of that is happening. So I think first we should marinate the chicken so that we can get that in the air fryer. So I'm just adding
गरम मसाला,
masala. देखिए.
जीरा पाउडर नहीं डालना इतना, बस.
Okay.
Put
ये तो खत्म हो चुका है. लाल मिर्ची पाउडर,
थोड़ा सा black pepper and salt.
थोड़ा हल्दी, salt we need more from the dabba, little black pepper, and the recipe says to add besan and dahi as well. Adding besan, ginger garlic paste, and yogurt, and mix this nicely. Putting everything back. I am someone that likes to clean as I go, but the marinade is ready. I'm going to keep fridge mein jagah nahi hai, but so I'm going to keep it here only. No other option. But now we are going to start making green chutney. Or should I marinate this as well? I think I can. So let's marinate the fries. We are going to add some red chili powder, salt, some oil, garlic herb seasoning. Some nahi, a lot. Chicken is marinated, fries are marinating, and I'm going to put that in the in the air fryer. But we need to move on to our green chutney, and this is my first time making green chutney. It's not just something I like, but I am like emotionally invested in how good a green chutney is. That's how you judge if a person is a good cook or not, based on their green chutney, based on the chai, and based on dal. These things are my foundation of judging a person on their cooking abilities. So since this is my first time, I will excuse myself. But let's see how this turns out. We've got a lot of... ये बहुत ज़्यादा धनिया नहीं है. Is it धनिया पुदीना mix?
Yes.
I don't think ये आने वाला है इसमें.
आ जाएगा, सब आ जाएगा.
Okay, if you say so. We're adding 2 chilies, lots of garlic, adding salt. The recipe that I saw on YouTube added ice cubes in it. I'm going to add 2 ice cubes.
और पानी भी ऐड करना है.
Adding water.
किसने कहा था मैं नाक अंदर डालने के उसके?
The color impressed. It should be a little more
वो पड़े पड़े लाइट हो जाएगा थोड़ा.
fresh green. पड़े पड़े dark नहीं होता.
तो थोड़ा नींबू डाल देंगे ना, सही हो जाएगा.
ऐसे कौन खाता है? टेस्ट
मेरा
करो।
हो गया, नहीं।
नहीं नहीं, पूरा टेस्ट करो।
नहीं,
ऐसे
मेरा
थोड़ी
हो गया।
होता है।
मेरा हो गया।
पूरा टेस्ट करो भाई।
अच्छा तो है।
बहुत तीखा है, थोड़ा और।
डाल दे भाई।
That is my first green chutney. Ching's Szechuan chutney. Namak perfect, lemon perfect, धनिया पुदीना perfect, but mirchi is a little ज़्यादा.
बट आई थिंक अच्छा लग रहा है।
But it's good. Now chicken is already frying in the air fryer. Next up, we have the fries.
And then we are done for the day.
And then we're done, guys. It's been a very long day in the kitchen. पूरा दिन मैंने किचन में बिताया है।
कैसा लगा आपको?
किचन में काम करते। I want to go take a bath. I think I'm going to do that. जब तक चिकन बन रहा है, actually 10 मिनट में बन रहा है, but I might go take a bath and then have dinner once I'm like fresh.
तो चले जा, मैं कर लूंगा इसका।
तो कर लेगा चिकन and then fries हम लास्ट में डाल देंगे।
फ्राइज भी डाल ही दूंगा ना, तो ना ले।
But ये 10 minutes के बाद फ्लिप करना है ना?
फिर 7 मिनट्स है।
The camera's like in my face. हाँ?
7 मिनट्स है उसके बाद।
ठीक है, I'm gonna go for a bath. Addy will keep you posted on what's happening. We've done a really good job so far. Yay! Bye. I'm back. It's ready. Wow. Crispy लग रहा है. अच्छा ना? This is my girl dinner setup. I have chicken, fries, and veggies. I don't know how to make sense of this plate of food, but I am enjoying it because honestly, chicken, fries both have turned out so good. The marination on the fries also. And we've got chicken, green chutney. Honestly, really good. My favorite concept.
मेरा फेवरेट तो कुकी।
I am in bed with a cookie. So good. I have become that obnoxious person now that eats food outside and thinks कि ये तो मैं घर पे बना लूंगी अच्छा. Rightfully so. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there's anything else you want me to try for the next one, let me know. Good night. Bye.